In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog on the Shopify Dawn theme. If you're looking to enhance your online store with a blog, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and thoroughly, making the process as seamless as possible. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll need to head over to Shopify and make sure you're logged into your store's dashboard. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, take a moment to glance around if you're not already familiar with the layout. It's always a good idea to know where everything is before starting a new task. Next, you'll want to focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. Here's where you'll find the Content section. That's your next destination. So go ahead and click on Content. This section allows you to manage various types of content for your store, and it's also where we begin setting up your blog. Now, within the Content area, look for an option labeled Menus. Click on that to navigate to the menus that help organize the various parts of your site. This is a crucial step in ensuring that your blog will be easily accessible to your visitors. Once you're in the Menus section, you might see several options already set up, but what we care about is the main menu. Click into the main menu as our goal is to add the blog to your store's primary navigation, making sure your customers can find it easily. Now you'll see a button that says Add Menu Item. Click it. Adding a new menu item is how we'll get your blog listed visibly on the navigation bar of your site. In the label field, type in Blog Post. Giving your new menu item a name is critical, as this is what your visitors will see when they navigate through your store. Make the name inviting and clear to encourage clicks. Next, you'll be prompted to choose where this menu item should link to. Simply click on Blog. This ensures that any click on this menu item will bring users directly to your blog page. Now, there is one more thing to address. As part of a test run, click on Test. Testing is vital to ensure everything is working properly and looking good before you publish your site. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. There's a Save button that you need to click to make sure all the adjustments you've made are securely set into place. It's always smart to double-check the save by refreshing the page or revisiting the menu just to confirm everything looks exactly how you want it. And there you have it. Your new blog is now live on the Shopify Dawn theme, ready to start engaging your customers. By following these straightforward steps, you have successfully enhanced your store, offering fresh content and potentially driving more traffic. Keep your blog updated regularly for the best results. Thanks for following along and happy blogging.